Yes, good morning, the viewers. I am Dr. Navi, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies, Sai Vidya Institute of Technology. So today I am going to discuss the contents. The agenda of the presentation is definition of online buying behavior and model of online buying behavior, and also the steps in the process of online buying behavior. So today let us start why the online buying behavior is giving more priority. All the online industries are giving more priorities. Let us discuss briefly today. So the buying behavior of the customer is tremendously changing day by day due to the industries and their technology. Because if industries are updating themselves, and many technologies are also outdating, so therefore the changing mindset of the customers, the industries are going to give more relevant preference for the buying behavior of the customer. So there is a lot of differences will be there in buying behavior, especially in the geographical boundaries. So there will be difference will be there from one state to another state, or one country to another country. So therefore, a lot of a gap between the buying behavior is there in today's scenario. So today, let us start. What is the meaning of online buying behavior? So I have given the definition of buying behavior is a type of behavior which is exhibited by customers while browsing websites of an retailer in order to search, select, and purchase goods and services in order to fulfill their needs and wants. So it's basically a behavior which is reflected by the purchaser during process of buying through the internet. So this is a buying behavior concept that we are, as a browsers, we are searching the lot of information in the websites. Because today certain products they need to desires the satisfaction of the customers in the online basically. So therefore the customers are purchasing goods and services in order to fulfill their needs and wants. So therefore the meaning itself is explaining the customer desireness should be satisfied by the product through the internet. So if you take a number of example today, Amazon's, Flipkart, and all. So if they are fulfilling the needs of the customers, because the customers priority always the reasonable price and quality, and also durability of the goods should be more efficient. Okay, so therefore the customers always prefer the reasonable price only. So in the market, in the if we discuss the context of market, especially in the Indian market, so always customer will prefer two categories. You will focus on two categories. One is the reasonable price, and also what is quality of the product. So these are the two criteria that we are going to evaluate the buying behavior of the customers. So, and once again we will go for the next concept, which is called as the a model of buying behavior and what it reflects. The buying behavior model reflects on two criteria. One is buyer responses. In the buyer responses, if you see, there will be a product choice, brand choice, retail choice, dealer choice, and purchase timing, purchase amount, and purchase frequency. But at the same time, the market stimuli, if you take the product, price, promotion, and place. See, four a piece, the marketing piece here, the model of buying behavior are able to explain. And other stimulation, if you see, economical, political, and social technological, will be explained by the model of buying behavior. So buying responses, if you see, the product choice, because today the customers, they are going to evaluate n number of alternatives on basis of price. on basis of quality, on basis of technologies. So the customers are going to evaluate the product whether it is qualitative. Okay, and if you take about brand choices and all, so it will be recognized or identification will be there on the brand choices. For example, if you are buying any shoes, for example, Reebok, Adidas, there are n number of brand choices will be there. On basis of the price, the customers are going to buy the product. So there will be buyer responses will be there, and retail choices. So here in online, especially in the retail choices, if you discussed, the customer are examining the product or examining the product on the retail choices. Okay, because the customers will required the durable of the goods, durable of the goods and the quality of the goods. So there are n number of responses we are going to discuss in the concept of buyer responses. And if you talk about stimulation or marketing stimuli or for marketing piece, a product, a price, promotion, and place, which always impact on the buyer responses. Because I told you, product, if the customers have n number of product, then the customer will satisfy. Because if there is alternative choices will be there based on the price, so the customers will be enthusiastic will be there to buy the product. And promotion is also one of the important strategy today in marketing we are looking forward, because without promotion the customers cannot recognize the product. Okay, so promotion we in terms of advertisements, especially in the digital advertisements or print media advertisements, okay, or electronics advertisement. So all these criteria will be impact on the promotions. Next is place. The place is also more important concepts that we need to focus, because the place, if you called about geographical segmentation, if you discuss, so there will be buying behavior of the customers from one place to another. It will be a difference will be there in buying behavior, and also the taste and preference and culture. So it's totally differentiation we can make on basis of the behavior of the customers. So this is the chart which explain the responses of model of buyer behavior. And the third contents or third agenda I'm going to discuss in the online buyer decision process is its problem recognition, information search, evaluation of alternatives, and purchase decisions, and post purchase evaluation. So these are the criteria I'm going to explain on buyer decision process. See, the concept of buyer decision process will be evaluated or will be uh, taken into consider on how this customer are going to buy. First one is problem recognition. The product if we are buying, so first we need to understand on what basis. First we need to understand on the we are buying a product on basis of cost, we are buying a product on basis of quality, or on basis of technology. So first we need to understand the problem recognition. So therefore today the customers are given more priority for this buyer decision process, because today customers, I told you, they are very extraordinary, they are very optimistic also. Customers are really optimistic because they will judge the product, they will judge the product immediately, because we need to identify how the customers complete their journey for making a product or a purchase decision. So it's very essential for marketing and sales. So let us discuss the relevant concepts one by one. So I told you the problem recognition, and we need to identify the decisions or recognition or problem. It feels a difference between actual state or desired state, because this occur when person's normal needs such as anger, thirst, or some other cases we need to get stimulation at this stage. What kinds of needs or problems arise? What is the root of these needs, and why? How they led the buyer, uh, the customers or consumer to particular product. So that's why. And the second case, information search is also an important criteria that we need to discuss here, because information search, there will be a number of information are available, especially in online or websites. If you see, if you blogs, emails and all, a number of informations are available. So the customers are going to uh, extract all the information of the product, all the information of the product, and whichever the suitable product you will going to buy. So this is the second stage of the uh, buying behavior or buying decision process of the customers. Next, the third one, evaluation of alternatives. So here alternatives is nothing but n number of choices will be there. So the choices, such as, for example, if you are buying an automobile means today, the especially in cars and all. So number of choices will be there based on your mm, price. Number of choices is available, because starting from 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs, a number of choices will be available. So the customer, we are going to evaluate the choices, and based on his price, and yes, based on his price and brand identity, so he will going to purchase the product. Next is purchase decisions. So here purchase decisions is based on the customers. So purchase decisions is based on customers. Why? The reason is the customers are going to evaluate, or you going to judge the product before he is buying. So he need a TV, for example, it's an electronic product. A TV today, the n number of companies such as LG, Sony, and all, they are delivering the product, and product priority for the customers. So the purchase decisions will be judged by the customers on basis of the qualities, on basis of the alternatives, on basis of the duration of the product. So this is it's based on purchase decisions of the customers. And the last one, post purchase evaluation. See, any customers, I told you, they are very excellent in today's generation, because the reason is the technology has been changing day by day. So therefore the customers are extraordinary. Before purchasing any product, you going to evaluate whether the product has the good quality, as the price, as the brand identification in the market. So and all these criteria which will be included in the post purchase decisions. So these are the today's topic I need to discuss relating to the online buying behavior, because I told you today the customers are the king in the market. So he will evaluate, or he will judge a product. He will judge the product on basis of their price, on basis of the quality and all. So I will wind up the class, because these are the contents I need to discuss. So thanks all the viewers for joining the class. So thank you once again. Thanks all of you.